honey? How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm going to do an unbagging of the IPSY Plus Glam bag. Come in this kind of mailer. It used to come in a fuchsia mailer. Hot pink fuchsia is really pretty. Now it's light pink. Okay. I had told them to stop sending me the regular IPSY bag, the small one. It's $10 or $12 a month. I'd rather have the IPSY Plus bag. It's $25 a month, and it has full-size products. So this is what this bag looks like, and I'm not feeling this. Ain't about no magic. And I don't like the way this looks. Even though mostly it's makeup items, it just don't look right to me. It looks strange. Okay, let's go in it. First thing, I got stuff over here I'm going to review in a few minutes. Okay, what is this? Should have a card in here. Or is it in the bag? Yes, a card in here. I don't like the way this looks. Symbolism and mess. I don't like that. Okay, it tells what's in here, I guess. I don't. Okay. What is this? Because I can only read this stuff. Define Sculpt Set Brow Pencil. It's by Tarte. Okay, I've heard of that company before. I have a brow pencil in the color Espresso. And this is the way it looks. I haven't opened this stuff. I don't want to tear the box up, just in case I want to sell this stuff. Just a minute. Okay, I went and got my letter opener so I can prise the lid of the box open so I don't mess up my nails. So this is the way this looks. Tarte brow pencil. Let me open this thing. I don't know what that side is for. I didn't read nothing about it. And this side, did that come off? Yep, that comes off too. I have to unscrew it. Yeah, unscrew that one. Oh, this is the brow gel. It's in brown. I think I need a little darker color. I'm not sure yet. It smells like mascara. And the other is the brow liner. Oh, you put the gel on the brow, and then how you do that? I guess that'll work. That'll distribute the gel. Okay. That probably will work. So I like this. And Tarte is a good company. All right. That's a winner and a keeper. This Araceli Gel Pencil Eyeliner Duo with Sharpener. First thing I see is a pencil sharpener. It comes with a pencil sharpener. Oh, I got two pencils. Oh, say 2 units. So what color? Okay, got the colors on here. Lord have mercy. They think everybody got 20/20 vision. It's because it's the year 2020. Everybody ain't got 20/20 vision. Cinnamon. I can't read that. So I guess this is the cinnamon color. Cinnamon Crush. color. What is this now? Eyeliner. And this here is chocolate. Look like the cinnamon. They're very close. Eyeliner. I'm not sure I'm going to use these. But this is too close to my skin color. It's nice, and it comes with its own pencil sharpener, so I thought that was a nice touch. So this is nice. Oh, I like when people give some thought into their packaging. Look how it looks up under here. Nice burst of color. Nice. Makes me happy. Black box, and you open it up, it's like an array of color. I like it a lot. Cute. Okay. That's a good product. Let me dump all this stuff out of here. Now, what is this? Dr. Lip Superfood Tints. Multi-use skincare. Moisturizer, color treatment, lips, cheeks. It's only 100% natural ingredients in here. I don't even know what's in here. What is this stuff? I never heard of this company. Got 3 thingamajigs in here. Red radish pigment. I guess it can be like a cheek color or a lip color. I don't know. But it looks like it goes on your lips, the way that applicator thing is. Okay. Red radish. What's this one? Elderberry pigment. Same kind of applicator. I don't smell nothing. And this one is sweet potato pigment. I guess that's like an orange. But why they put it in this color thing? So I imagine it's lip color. I have no idea what it is. Put it wherever you want to burst the color, I guess. It's supposed to be good for your skin. So, Dr. Lip, 100% natural. Okay, that's good. The next one is Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder, Translucent Tan Deep. So this one got my letter opener, so I can open this without messing up my nails and without tearing up the box. Tarte is a good brand. That's pretty packaging. That's how it looks. Comes with a mirror and a puff thingamajig. I don't use that. Do this unscrew? No, I'll beat into it up. How you get to it? Oh, it has a little cover over. I guess it got holes in here, so you can get to the translucent powder, so the powder don't go everywhere. So I can take that little paper lid off. And it probably got a sifter top up in here and a mirror. Looks like I can use this because this powder will work for me. Translucent tan deep. So that'll work for me. my skin tone. Very nice. That's why I like the IPSY Plus bag, y'all. Shape tape. I've heard of people saying stuff about shape tape. Okay. The last product is Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette. DOUCCC. I don't know how to pronounce that. This is the way the box looks. There's the colors on the back. Oh, this is pretty, nice and slick. It's upside down. Yeah. Look at that packaging. Got a good weight to it. Why is it so heavy? Look at this eyeshadow. Okay, this is the way the colors look. Just regular, natural colors. I tend to go for color. I gotta find me a pretty blue eyeshadow. I got some blues, but I want a blue. Pretty blue. I don't have no pretty blue. Okay. Oh, this looks like magnets. This is magnets, y'all. It's magnetized. Just sticking to the stiletto. That's nice. Get in there. I like that. And what's this big one? The big one is magnetized. Also, it's a big one in here. Oh, I see the little magnet on the back. That's why it's so heavy. All these magnets up in here. Well, I think this is nice. I just don't wear these colors, not too often. Maybe I should. Because I got several eyeshadow palettes that are neutral shades, and I like color. Well, everything in this box is a winner. Except for that old ugly bag. Everything is nice. 5 good products. So, thumbnail. Okay, well, thank you for watching my IPSY Plus Glam Bag unbagging. And it's $25 a month. And you get 5 full-size products. And a bag. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Got my remote.